Hola Mindvalley, my name is Kriska and my mission is to inspire people to take action in living meaningful lives. Welcome to my story! I grew up in a small town in the Philippines from very humble beginnings. At the age of 4, I learned the meaning of the word hustle by making my own money through joining talent competitions. I also discovered that I love being of service to people at the age of 10. Ever since, I've been actively immersing myself in community building projects such as relief and medical missions, education, and support for survivors of domestic violence. Because of my consistent involvement and leadership, I was awarded as one of the 10 outstanding youth leaders of my city in 2004. I have a strong background in human relations, in particular employee engagement, leadership, and capability building. During my stint as an HR manager in the Philippines, I have championed unconventional interventions such as eliminating bureaucracy and improving workplace culture by injecting fun in otherwise boring company activities. These interventions were geared towards eliminating serious issues such as high employee stage attrition and low engagement. Because of that, I was well loved by the company, and I even created a 20-minute farewell video when I left the country in 2016. At the peak of my career, I uprooted my life and moved to Malaysia to marry my best friend. As a foreign spouse, I was limited in finding employment opportunities. But instead of feeling defeated and helpless, I took this opportunity to volunteer at an international NGO in Malaysia whose mission is to serve, educate, and empower through teaching English. I got the chance to work with amazing and incredible talents across 6 different countries, including this person who is filming this cover letter. I am proud to say that my contributions in perfecting the learning materials to teach English has continuously impacted many Malaysians across different community centers. This also paved the way for me to create a blog that aims to help foreign spouses with immigration and registration processes, and lastly, establish an online business to help women with no capital to start earning from home. To date, I have helped about 300 women across 7 different countries with the use of a smartphone and the internet. Mindvalley fits perfectly in my life and in my mission. We both share the same passion in transforming lives, doing things differently, and spreading love and goodness across humanity. We love helping people win. And I'm so looking forward to contribute and grow with your amazing talents as a customer success specialist or a tribe facilitator. With my continuous involvement and drive to help people succeed, I believe that we can make more magic together. Terima kasih, shie, Nandri, thank you, maraming salamat po. And